Hi there, this is my lot, and this is a couple of vintage Yale 40mm bronze padlocks. So we'll have a closer look at this one. It has an original key and a slightly paracentric. It's like a mini YA1, so it's probably a YA3 keyway. We'll try and give this one a pick, and I will use the custom shallow pick I got from Matt's Luck Pit. So I'll use the wire tensioner just in there, and yeah, let's see what we can feel. So we click on 4. We click on 3. 2's binding. Click on 2, felt slight movement. 1. We get the open. So didn't feel any spools, no security pins to speak of. But an all bronze, all brass padlock, I'll forgive it. It looks pretty, so I'll forgive it for not having security pins. And it's a really nice crisp shackle spring, nice crisp action. The pins pick really well. You get good feedback, nice definite clicks when you set them. And yeah, so that's the first 5-pin. The second one is a proprietary Yale keyway, and it's a 6-pinner. If we have a look at the keyway a bit more, so we will give this one a pick. Top of the keyway with the same wire tensioner. Let's try and lock the focus there, and feels like pin 2, little click from 2, little click from 3, little click from 1, and a wee click at the back gets us the open. So I'm pretty sure that was only possibly 5 pins I set there. So, oh, it might have been, it was probably 3 I was setting, not 2. So 2 may well be a 0 lift. Either that, or I may have set pin 2 whilst setting one of the other higher pins. So there we go. Couple of beautiful old vintage bronze Yale padlocks. I don't believe they are used for security applications. They're more non-spark, you know, petrol stations, refineries, that sort of thing. So yeah, thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good one. Cheers.